kalimutan kahit na maputi na ang buhok natin.
Yes, para po sa inyo. Sabayan niyo po kami dito, ha?
Okay. Yan. Kinakanta ko to sa shower. Kahit hindi niya alam. Kung tayo ay matanda na, sana'y hindi tayo magbago. Kailangan nasaan man ito ang pangarap ko. Makuha mo ba kaya ako'y hanggang yakapin?
Hanggang pagtanda
natin, nagtatanong lang sa'yo, ako pa kaya'y ibigin mo? Kahit maputi na ang buhok ko.
That's new, huh? Very nice. Okay, thank you everyone. Thank you, Winnipeg. Please take care of yourselves on your way home. We love you so much. Maraming salamat po before we leave you. Panoorin natin to sa kanila before we say farewell.
Don't always end with happily ever after. There are also stories of hope, moving forward, rebuilding friendships, and blending modern families, as it is with our dear